Understanding legal separation, an alternative to divorce. Legal separation is a court-ordered arrangement that allows married couples to live separately while establishing clear financial boundaries and responsibilities. While it shares some similarities with divorce, it is a unique option that can suit various situations and preferences of individuals. In this article, we will explore the intricacies of legal separation, its advantages, disadvantages, and how it differs from divorce and annulments. What is a legal separation? A legal separation signifies that a couple is no longer living together as a married unit, yet remains legally married. This arrangement typically involves a court order detailing financial obligations, child custody arrangements, and child support responsibilities. Many individuals choose legal separation as a way to maintain benefits, such as health insurance or retirement plans, before making a final decision about divorce. Key takeaways. Court-ordered agreement. A legal separation is recognized by the court and requires an agreement outlining responsibilities and legal obligations. Financial clarity. It delineates the financial responsibilities of each spouse, including the division of assets and liabilities. Child custody and support. Key aspects of child custody, visitation rights, and child support are addressed to ensure the welfare of children involved. Religious and personal factors. Many people opt for legal separation due to religious beliefs, financial concerns, or uncertainty regarding the future of their marriage. Reasons for choosing legal separation. Couples may choose legal separation for a variety of reasons, including 1. Religious beliefs. For some faiths, divorce is not an acceptable option. Legal separation provides a way to resolve marital issues while maintaining religious tenets. 2. Uncertainty about the marriage. Couples who are unsure about their future may use legal separation as a trial period to evaluate their relationship. 3. Children's welfare. Parents often feel that legal separation provides a more stable environment for their children than an outright divorce, avoiding the emotional upheaval that often comes with the latter. 4. Financial considerations. Legal separation can be more cost-effective, allowing couples to retain certain benefits and rights typically forfeited in a divorce. 5. Trial separation benefits. A legal separation is an intermediate step that allows for a structured transition in relationships, especially in cases where reconciliation might be a possibility. Benefits of legal separation. Maintaining benefits. Remaining legally married may allow spouses to retain certain benefits. For instance, military benefits. Spouses married for at least 10 years qualify for benefits under the Uniformed Services Former Spouse Protection Act. Social Security benefits. Qualifying for spousal benefits requires marriage to last at least 10 years. Control over finances. A legal separation provides a clear date of separation, which can prevent one spouse from recklessly spending shared resources. This control can preserve assets during a time of emotional upheaval. Other types of separations. Trial separation. A trial separation is an informal arrangement where a couple decides to live apart but does not involve a court order. This type of separation allows couples to assess their feelings towards one another, determine if they can reconcile, or move towards a more permanent separation. Permanent separation. A permanent separation happens when a couple decides to end their marriage but does not take it through a legal court process. This type of separation may lead to issues down the line, such as unresolved legal and financial matters. Legal separation versus divorce versus annulment. It's crucial to understand the distinction among legal separation, divorce, and annulment. Divorce. This legal termination of marriage is permanent, allowing both spouses to remarry. All shared economic benefits are terminated. Annulment. This process makes a marriage null and void, as if it never existed. Annulments are granted under specific circumstances, such as fraud or incapacitation at the time of marriage. Requirements for legal separation. To file for a legal separation, the following information typically must be included in a petition. Legal names of both spouses. Date and location of the marriage. Names of children or dependents. Proposed custody arrangements. Support arrangements. Addresses and dates when the couple began living apart. Disadvantages of legal separation. Despite its benefits, there are potential downsides to legal separation. Costly process. Legal fees can accumulate, especially if disputes arise. Complicated dynamics. Couples may find themselves in a challenging emotional limbo, unable to remarry but separated legally. Potential for miscommunication. Without clear agreements, conflicts may arise, and obligations can become complicated to reverse. Navigating the legal process. Although it's possible to navigate the legal separation process without a lawyer, using court-provided forms and resources, seeking legal counsel can clarify obligations and rights specific to your situation. Legal separation laws can vary significantly by state. For example, some states require a legal separation before granting a divorce. States allowing legal separation. Most states permit legal separations, however, a few states do not offer this option, instead advocating alternatives. It's essential to check local laws and regulations. Cost and duration of legal separation. The cost of a legal separation petition ranges from around $80 to over $400, depending on the state. It typically takes between 6 months to a year for the process to unfold, based on court schedules and case complexities. Conclusion. Legal separation serves as a thoughtful alternative for those contemplating the end of their marriage but unsure about taking the legal plunge into divorce. While it provides a structure for separating lives, addressing financial obligations, child custody, and emotional well-being, it is not without complexities and potential drawbacks. Couples considering this route should carefully assess their specific circumstances and opt for legal advice if needed.